Okay folks, welcome to this Blackboard Ultra quick tips video. The purpose of these videos is to get information about features and functionality of the VLE over to you in as quick a time as possible, ideally under 3 minutes. And today's video is about using the batch edit tool within Blackboard Ultra to bulk manage content within your Blackboard courses. So without further ado, let's start the clock and flip over to this Blackboard module here. Now this Blackboard module is one that's been provided to me and is a copy of a templated Blackboard module, which is all well and good. If I wanted to build this module out from scratch, I could use the content of this template. But in this case, I actually want to copy content over from a previous year's module. Now, I've made another video on how to do that, which might be useful to watch after this one. And so what I've got here in the template is 6 weekly learning modules that I would use if I was building this module out from scratch. But in this case, I actually want to delete them. Now, I could just click on these and delete them one by one, but there is a quicker way, and that's to use the batch edit tool. So if I scroll back to the top of the content area of my module, I can see here there is an ellipsis menu. I can click on this and I can click batch edit. Now we're into the batch edit menu here. I will hide my face so you can see all of this, and you can see here all of the content of my module, and I can expand these and I can go into as granular a level as I need to. But in this case, all I want to do is select these 6 weekly folders. So I'm going to do that here by ticking the little check boxes next to them. And you can see down here, I've got 3 options. I can edit any dates associated with these learning modules. I can edit the visibility of the learning modules, or as I want to do in this instance, I can delete them. So I'm just going to click delete. I'll be asked to confirm that I want to make the deletion. Click delete again, and Blackboard will take a few seconds to delete those learning modules. And when I close this slide out, you will see that the learning modules have been deleted from my course, ready for me to go ahead and copy the content in from my previous year's module. So that's the batch edit tool for bulk management of Blackboard content. Really useful feature. I hope you find it useful too.